across quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving or quarters in session. Also, there'll be no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around or smoking of any kind, and please be properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Bobby James Owens. Case numbers SP 120-34561, SP 120-34581. We'll also call SP 125-8156, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 447-885, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Bobby Owens.
Okay, Mr. Owens.
Yes.
You have, Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Owens has, let's see here. He has a failure to stop ticket. That's a 3-point offense, sir. And I'm gonna set that default aside. It happened, the allegation was made on 4/24/2021. And I'm gonna allow Mr. Owens to be heard on that. And then Mr. Owens has a drove while license suspended. And he also owes for, let's see what goes on in these cases. All right, he has also, I'm going to set aside the default in the SP 125-81561. That was, allegation was made on 9/30/2021. And count 2 of that. And then Mr. Owens owes $240 on SP 447-885-1, and on SP 447-885-2, he owes $45. So here's the thing. So you got essentially 1, 2, 3, 4 cases, sir, 1 misdemeanor and 3 civil infractions. With the 3 civil infractions are failure to stop, improper equipment, and no proof of insurance civil infractions, and along with a drove while license suspended. What are you going to offer this young man? He says that he has a valid driver's license, and we're waiting on to confirm that.
Yes, Your Honor, it's valid.
I have insurance too now.
No, it was for that car, that particular car back.
Okay, so you hear that, Mr. Goss?
Right. That would be a blockading and improper plates.
Okay, a blockading and improper plates. So he's offering you a blocking traffic for the failure. Yeah.
I'm sorry, just do impeding, Your Honor.
All right. So here, sir, you're getting a deal now, and he's giving you a blocking traffic for that 3-point civil infraction of failure to stop. That's going to be $175 if you want to take this deal, and he's willing to dismiss the other cases. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. You have an absolute right to speak with Mrs. Barrett, who's going to serve as your defense counsel today. What do you want to do?
Can you give me in a separate room so I can get a clear understanding?
Of course. Not a problem at all.
Okay, thank you.
Don't take away your points.
You get the deal, Ms. Barrett?
He's offering him impeding It sounds
And
like
he's
that
gonna
was.
dismiss the other three, he's gonna dismiss the other three matters, but he still owes that 240 and that $45. So when you get in that breakout room, sir, and if you want to take this deal, you let Miss Barrett know, put a date on that money, all of it at one time. That'll be 175, 240, and 45.
Okay, I understand.
All
I
right.
take the deal.
All right. So you don't need that breakout room, so
No.
don't join the room then. All right.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right. Sir, can you raise your right hand? Where
Can
are
you
you,
see-
sir? I need to see you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand, sir, that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, Ms. Barrett, for that civil infraction where your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated.
Okay, sir, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to, with stipulation of probable cause, counsel, I'm going to dismiss all the other matters.
Okay.
Can I get that stipulation, counselor?
Oh, so stipulated.
All right, sir, that's $175 for this case. With the stipulation, I'll dismiss the other cases that are pending, that are defaults that I set aside. And so we're dealing with 240, 45, and 175. When can you pay, sir?
Okay. Can I pay it like in payments?
I'm not going to supervise a payment plan. I'm gonna let you put a date on it. You can take that, you can make those, make that payment plan with yourself and come down there and pay on it as you wish. If you want the court to supervise a payment plan for you, I'll send you to the collections department so they can do that. What do you want to do?
Okay. How long can you give me to do it? Can you give me like a month?
I can give you a month. Ms. Nash, I didn't get the dates. I apologize. Can you send me the dates, please?
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
And give me the 30-day date,
Okay, Your Honor.
please.
Yes, Your Honor. I apologize.
That's all right. Now, sir, I
Yes.
need you to make sure you make these payments. You got a good driver's license and we want to keep it that way. So
Yes.
you need to make these payments and have the stuff paid off.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. The 30-day date is April the 28th.
April 28th. Is that going to be enough time, sir?
Said April 28th or May 28th?
April 28th. 30 days. What? Okay.
Wait a
Maybe
minute,
the
is that
30.
right? Maybe I did that wrong.
Yeah, a
Let me
little bit.
Let me redo it. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I think I got the
No,
wrong
no
one.
reason to apologize.
I got the wrong one.
Miss Orange was gonna catch you on that anyway.
Right, exactly.
Take your hat off, sir.
I'm sorry.
That's all
My
right.
hair.
All right, this date that we give you, sir, I'm gonna
Okay,
set
Your
it.
Honor. It's
Go
May
ahead.
I'm sorry, it's May the 12th.
May 12th.
May 12th.
Yes, at 8:25. I'm gonna set it for a review. I need to see you back on that morning at 8:25 a.m. All right.
Okay.
Even if you just zoom in from your job or wherever. Now, if you get in here and you have this stuff paid off, then I'll just send you right back on your way. but I want you to check in and make sure we get this stuff closed out properly, all right?
Okay.
If it's nothing further, sir, good luck to you. Congratulations on your new job. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. And God have bless.
Thank you.
I'll send the updated one to you right now, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, we couldn't get Miss Lindsay to sign on properly. Did you send that message to her, Miss Williams Law?
I did, Your Honor. I've received no response from Miss Lindsay.
I'm gonna remove her. Hopefully we get her back in here. And please don't say anything about nobody showing up.
I know I won't.
Hey, after yesterday, what could we say?
I know that was a long time, and it wasn't that many people
It
either.
wasn't. I was like, what is this Matrix day? What is going on?
Yeah, it seems like sometimes when you have the short dockets, they last the longest, and other times it goes in the opposite direction. Ashley. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name, please?
I'm not sure if I have court today or tomorrow. My last name is Sabah, Sabbagh.
I don't think you're in the right courtroom. Sabbagh.
Yes, first name.
Ashley.
Yeah.
All right, we'll check.
Okay, thank you. I think it might be tomorrow. I have it in my phone today, and on the paper it says tomorrow. So I just want to make sure.
It's better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. You are in front of me. And it is scheduled for tomorrow,
Okay.
but we may be able to help you right now.
Okay.
Judge froze.
Uh-oh. Judge froze.
One second, Ms. Sabah. Looks like Judge.
Okay. No problem.
Difficulty. Ms. Nash, do you have Miss Ashley? Is it Ashley Sabah?
Yes, that's correct.
For tomorrow, did you want me to?
Your Honor is attempting, yeah, she's on the docket for tomorrow and he's attempting to assist her today. So I just wondered if you needed her information or had it.
Miss Ashley, can you spell your last name again for me, please?
Yes, it's S as in Sam, A as in apple, B as in boy, B as in boy, A as in apple, G as in George, H as in house.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Miss Williams Law, I have the case number if you need it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's U617-10221.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta do those trials.
Just look for tell him I gotta work 3.
Oh, yeah.
Wish me luck.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about the delay. Ms. Sabah,
Yes.
let's see. We've met before, is that correct?
No, I was given a ticket and I was incarcerated for probation violation for non-reporting last year, and I was incarcerated on November the 23rd, which was the date that I got this ticket. So I've completed like rehab and everything like that, and I'm just trying to take care of all these loose ends, you know, like this ticket. I know it's something that's important, and so I want to make sure it's taken care of. I've never seen you before though. I heard that I had court like 2 weeks ago or a week ago from the representative at 36th District when I had called the other day.
Okay. I don't have is there an actual ticket in the file, Ms. Nash?
Yes, and I sent the offer, let me just double check. And I sent the offer. You want me to scan you the ticket, Judge?
No, I would like to know what the allegations are.
It was a violation of Controlled Substance Act.
Okay, I didn't want to put that. I understand that. I want to know specifically what's alleged. I want to know what type of substance. And I understand you telling me that you've gone through rehab, and I appreciate that, and I congratulate you on that. But the court needs to see.
No, I understand. I was just referring to what I had remembered.
No, I got you. The court needs
I
to see if
apologize.
there needs to be some sort of oversight over you. Now, what I will say is that we have a very good drug treatment court. And for everyone that comes in with this type of allegation, I like to offer you that opportunity to join our drug treatment court. Our drug treatment court is one of the best courts. Let me just say this: it is the best court in the country, and that's been documented. And other courts have modeled themselves after our program. So Judge Holmes that's her docket, and I would love it if you would volunteer to go through that.
I'm not
program.
interested. Like I said,
Stop. Okay. I didn't ask you to speak, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm telling you what the options that you have. If you don't volunteer, then I will continue the oversight that I have over you as long as this case is pending. And if there is some, and that's going to include mandatory testing, and if there's some relapse, I'm hoping that you're saying that you're clean now. If it's some sort of relapse.
No, I haven't relapsed.
Ma'am, let me finish speaking.
Okay.
If it's some sort of relapse, then I'm going to order you to go to the program. All right. So I get routinely, nobody wants to participate in the program. And what I understand in one regard, because who wants to have some sort of oversight over them, right? But in the other regard, it is a situation where if you are truly trying to kick whatever habit that you may have. And if you truly have done so, then a little bit more oversight in a program like this, I would think that anybody would take as much rehabilitation and as much counseling as they possibly could. All right, so that's what I'm going to say about that. As soon as I get the nature of the allegation and some more information as it regards to that, I got that now. Thank you, Mr. Nash. Let's see here. How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 34.
And how long have you been using?
On and off since I was like 17, but I've had substantial clean time in between, like 8 years I had before.
Okay, you've gone clean for 8 years, and then after 8 years, you relapsed again.
Correct.
Are you sure you don't want to volunteer for this program?
Honestly, I go to therapy at Team Wellness, and I'm in the 12-step NA program. I have a sponsor. I work the steps. I don't know. I just completed my insurance licensing exam with the state of Michigan, and I passed that. I can show you that. I don't think that, for me, I've never been in trouble with nothing like this before, but this was the reason.
We're not talking about trouble with this before. You've already said you've been using this stuff since 17 years old. So the fact that you didn't get caught, I mean, that's immaterial. Let's say this. Let's get the drug treatment court people on the line, and I just want you to speak with them. All right?
Okay. Take
some time and speak with them and let them know. And I'm sure that they can incorporate whatever you're doing, so that they're not trying to make you do double the work. They'll incorporate whatever you're doing into the program, I'm sure. And that way you will have another outlet, so that you and extra resources. We're talking about resources. You're talking about getting your life back together. You're talking about making advancements in your life and doing things with insurance and things like that. You got to do the best you can not to go back to where you came from. And you've told the court already that you are.
I'm already on probation though. Like, I don't.
Who are you on probation with, ma'am?
Third Circuit. I'm on felony probation right now. I'm on probation until 2025.
Ms. Nash, let's get drug treatment court in here and just have Ms. Sabah speak.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, who else do we have since I left the room?
This looks like the Corporal Knapp came in when you left, Your Honor. I see Officer Bennett.
So I didn't miss much then, huh?
Nope.
Corporal Knapp, good morning to you. Officer
Good morning,
Bennett,
Your Honor.
good morning to you. We have Lingowski here, and I believe that maybe
No one for neither one of these officers are for Legowski, Your Honor. They're for Lipsy.
All right. So what I have is I'll check you guys in, and I will give you the opportunity now to go and to check into other courtrooms if necessary.
Okay, Your Honor, this is the only courtroom I have today.
Okay, well, let's sit tight. Give Mr. Lipsy an opportunity. If you want, there's Corporal McCree. Good morning to you. And what we'll do is just 9 o'clock. If you want, you can put your information in the chat so we can give you a call, and you can sign off, do some work, and if we need you, we'll call you back. Or if you want to sit tight, you can sit tight.
Your Honor, I'm going to sit tight for a little bit.
Very good.
Okay.
Good morning, Corporal McCree.
Hey, good morning, Judge Perkins.
All right, I got you checked in.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Mr. Langowski needs to connect his audio, and Miss Lindsay needs to connect her audio. I got Officer Robbins.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I don't see you on the screen here. Oh, I do. Corporal Robbins. All right. I'm sorry. For Lindsay, I have you checked in. Now, who are you here on?
Corporal Robbins, good morning, Judge. I'm here on
Oh, I got you. Lipsy.
Lipsy.
Lipsy. All right. All right. I will, if you want, each one of you can leave your numbers in the chat. And if you want us to give you a call back when they show up, we can do that. If not, you can sit tight.
Okay. All right, Your Honor. What time is your capias?
We're gonna give them at least till 10 o'clock or so.
Okay, that's fine, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay.
Your Honor, I just, got back to the computer. The defendant, Ashley, what case is this on?
This is Ashley Sabah, and this is case number U61710221.
Okay. You said Sabah?
Yes.
Okay.
SABBAGH, Mr. Goss.
Okay. So you need an offer for her.
Wow, we already have an offer.
Okay. All right.
Ms. Sabah,
Yes.
I would really, we're gonna at least do the work to see if you even qualify. If you don't qualify, that's a whole different story. But I would at least hope that you keep an open mind about this, all right? Will you do that?
I mean, I don't have a choice, really. I don't,
Well, you have a choice. You have a choice to keep an open mind.
Yeah, but I mean, what I'm saying is, like, I'm not, using those substances no longer. So I mean, if it's something that I have to do, if it's something, I know, but I mean, I've got stuff that I can show you. I wouldn't be passing state exams if I was smoking crack. But I don't have a problem completing the program. I'm already on probation, so. and I go to therapy. It's just gonna be something extra that I have to do.
All I asked you to do was keep an open mind when you speak to the person.
Yeah.
And as nobody's ordered you to do anything yet, you may not even qualify, but we're trying to make sure that you stay on the right track. That's all we're trying to do.
Okay.
Officer Hill, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing this morning?
Very well. We're going to give our, let's go Lapsley.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're back, Miss Lapsley?
Yes, sir.
And how can we help you?
You told me to show proof that I had made the payment for my son's case.
Oh yeah. How is your son doing?
He's okay.
Okay, very good.
Mm-hmm.
What is your son's name?
Caleb Lapsley.
K-A-B-E-L, right?
Kaleb.
Oh, I'm sorry. K-A-L-E-B, right.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have a ticket number?
SP 12447251.
All right, the case is closed, Miss Lapsley.
Okay.
Thank you for following up. And again, we wish you the best of luck to your son and your family.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we need to send Corporal Hill. We can offer you the same thing that we offered everybody else. None of the officers took me up on that, but I'm going to give these defendants some time to check in and see if they get here. You can leave your number in the chat if you like, and we can call you up if they show. If not, or we'll call you up anyway when we call the case, or you can just sit tight.
It doesn't matter. I can leave my number. It doesn't matter, Your Honor.
Choice is yours.
I'll sit tight.
Okay. See, I'm the type that I'll wander. I'll just take the option and wander off and wait on the call. But we have a 1+ Nord N100. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
LaShawn Greer.
Good morning to you, Mr. Greer. Open end talks. I do have that you paid, sir. We'll close it out. I don't know if the Mr. Goss.
No, I'm here for another case. I have received a ticket for I was driving a rental and the plates on the rental was bad. And so I got a ticket for that. I thought this was the ticket I thought this was the ticket for that.
Montrez?
LaShawn Montrese Greer.
Montrese Greer?
Yes.
So that ticket, I don't believe, let's go. That ticket has not entered in our system yet. Do you have a ticket number?
I thought this was it. But they sent me to you. The ticket number is SP 121580210I.
Okay.
But that's this?
No, That ticket is closed. You got that ticket number you just gave me, SP121-58021, was a speeding ticket that was amended to blocking traffic.
Okay, yes, that's right. Oh, so yeah, I was all right. I know now. He told me I had to come back to court if I paid my fines and everything. So the other ticket had. I'm sorry for bothering you, Your Honor.
It's not a bother. You're set for the day anyway. Mr. This is the city of Detroit versus LaShawn Montrese Greer, case number SP121-59841. I do have that case was a open intox passenger case that faces a misdemeanor alcohol related violation on your record that you pled to. And you were ordered to pay $240. I have receipt of that payment. So we can close it out. Mr. Goss?
Mr. Greer, you talking about me? You talking to me?
No, I'm just getting city attorney. Hold on. Ms. Barrett, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Melita Baird on behalf of Mr. Is it Goss?
No, Mr. Greer.
Sorry, Greer.
All right, Mr. Goss, are you there? Hold on one second.
Mr. Greer, can you spell your name for me?
Yes, LaShawn, LaShaun, Montrese, Montrece, Greer, Grier.
Thank you.
All right, sir, we're gonna close it out and you're free to leave. It's gonna be closed out under open alcohol motor vehicle passenger, all right?
Thank you very much.
Have a great day. I'm gonna put your officers in a breakout room with Mr. Goss, just so you can discuss the case and get some resolution ahead of the time that in anticipation of them showing up. All right, who's on the phone at 586-404-2144?
Tamara Lewis.
All right. Lewis. Tamara.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna wait on the officer. We're gonna give him a little bit of time to show
Hey, good morning,
up.
Your Honor.
That is Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Willie Robinson. How you doing?
All right, very well. Good morning to you, Officer Robinson. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the lawyer.
Okay, sounds good.
And then Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer. Let Mr. Officer Robinson, let him know that your defendant is here.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Langowski still needs to, Ms. Nash, did we get call the drug court people in?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Langowski still needs to, and Lindsay still need to, I'm gonna remove them from the room again. Did you send a note to both of them again, Ms. Williams Law?
I can do it again. Let's see. A response for Lindsay yet, Your Honor. Are we in touch with Langowski? Is audio on for Langowski?
No, audio is not on Lankowski either.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
just a reminder, Judge Ford's courtroom, they have 3 hearings, 3 retained, nothing else is ready.
Tell them they can zoom in now if the clerk, well, let me see, I can go to that courtroom.
You want me to send you the docket as well, Judge?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Let me get them out the way, and please put Miss Sabah in the breakout room when the drug court people show up. And then I summons Mr. Goss to go to that breakout room. He hasn't done so yet, so he can speak to at least to Officer Robinson and then whoever's the officer for Langowski.
Okay, so first to buy, you want whom in the breakout room when they come in, the
I
Goss
want
and-
Sabah in the breakout room with the drug court.
Okay.
And then give Mr.
Might be drug court now.
It is. Mr. Morgan.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. We have Ashley Sabah, and I would like just for you two to have a conversation. Ms. Sabah indicates to the court she has a drug-related offense, and I always like all the drug-related offense, whether we move on it or they agree to it or whatever happens. I like to give them an opportunity just to speak with you. You can outline the program for them. She indicates to the court that she is on felony probation at Third Circuit Court for 5 years. She also indicated to the court that she had is an addict, a recovering addict, and had a problem since the age of 17 years old. She's now in her 30s. She also indicated to the court that she's gone a total of 8 years sober, and has indicated to court that she has relapsed, but it indicated to the court also that she has now back in good standing with herself and her addiction. But I still want her to understand the program. I've explained to her how effective our program is and what our program is a model for the entire country. And I just want you to communicate with her. I'm hoping that she goes into this just with an open mind and at least listens to everything and takes everything in, and then we'll have you guys back.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Sabah, and talk to Mr. Morgan, and feel free to ask any questions that you may need to ask. All right, that's what this is all about.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.